Fast. You go.
Daddy.
Yeah, fast.
Daddy, where are we going?
Where's that idiot boy?
Daddy,
Where is he? That new compu, where is he?
Daddy, where are we going?
Keep quiet, who is your daddy? Let's go and meet your daddy. Move.
Oh, Mumu, not too much.
Where's that idiot? That bamfoo, Okpor. Where is he? Where is he? Fast, fast, fast. Follow here. Hey, look, quiet. Sit down. Sit down. Fast, sit down. You look like a mama. Sit down there. Sit down. Where is he? Okpor.
Are you ready for
Okay, look. Okpor, go back for. You go back for Abi. And if you like, make you sleep for that. They here, the way for that. Make you do come. Doctor, go and sit down there. Go and sit down there. And they here. Carry your leg, come here. If you run black thunder, I go fire you. Come here. Come here.
this evening you will die.
Come.
Landlord, good morning.
What's good about this money?
Landlord, now because of the house rent, I don't plan to arrange your money now. Ma come give you.
You have been holding me for 12 years. Leave the house rent for one side. Come on, talk man to man. Doctor, bring the result, come. Give me. Where is it? So you have been fooling me for 12 years, Abi? Take, read down.
Oga landlord never reach like that. Now they give me quick notice.
Oh, I know say you no go school, but first yourself, read down. Read down.
Oga landlord, now DNA test be this now.
Oh, na DNA, Abi? See the result here. See am. See this one. See I look like you. See am.
Jesus. Oga landlord, but I dey use raincoat anytime now I meet up Mama Junior.
You no come up for here. Now why I come with police with this? Officer, come inside. Over. You get this here. Catch am up. Ah. So you are not that bastard to run, Abi? Who can't train all these ones? Okay.